Have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our live streaming. I'm Flora. In this live, I would like to show you our 13.6-inch power tool. Okay, first, his form. His form is chrome, so it's very corrosion resistant. For the game box, it's pure copper turbine, variable speed, and good thermal performance and high carrying capacities. Okay, next, for the across assembly, with a balance circle. Yes, it's made of solid cast iron, so it runs very stable and prevents the machine from beating. Next, the lifting regulator. Lifting regulator. This is a handle regulator. Through this, you can adjust the height of handle. And next, this regulator is a regulator of blade. You can adjust the angle of blade. After you selected your favorite height, you can lock it. Okay, next, for the engines. There are many engines for selection, such as Honda, Robin, BNS, Kohler, Chinese gasoline or diesel engines. In addition to this 36-inch power tool, we also produce 24-inch or 14.6-inch power tool and red-on power tool. If you are interested in our power tools, welcome to visit our website www.jiwersonpower.com to find your favorite models.
To Jiwerson. Now I want to introduce this is the surface finish screed. Okay, come here. With the gearbox, we already improved the more bigger. We use the base bearing, it's not easy broken. We use the full rubber anti-vibration. Look at this screw, it's easy to move when the people want change. Look here, the frame. We use the Kermer steel. When the working finish, it's easy to cleaning. Okay, it's very easy moving. Here is adjust for the handle. Two screw. Look here. For the engine, you can use the Honda GX35 model, and you also use the Chinese brand engine.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our live streaming. In this live, I will introduce our compactor. Okay, this model is GCF90. Have CE and ISO certificate. For his plate, made of cast iron plate, so it's more durable and not deformed. It's very solid compaction, and it's a stable aptitude. Okay, next. There is a protective cover can protect our water pumper. Also have larger capacity water tank, not afraid of dust. You can see this is the sealed bed cover, can avoid the dust or other things make our clutch or bed damage. straight handle with rubber. It can effectively reduce vibrations. It's very comfortable. There are many engines for selection, such as Honda Robin, Kohler BNS, Chinese gasoline or diesel engine. It also has the wheels. Okay, let's show you the wheels. It's easy for transportation and moving. Okay, if you are interested in our machines, please contact us immediately.